Discover the secret to radiant, glowing skin with the best beauty and skincare supplements available today. Whether you're aiming to enhance your natural beauty, combat signs of aging, or achieve a flawless complexion, our carefully curated selection of top-rated supplements has you covered. Explore the ultimate blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants designed to nourish your skin from within. For more details on these amazing products, check the links in the description below. Face Moisturizer Collagen Cream. Introducing the Simply Vital Face Moisturizer Collagen Cream. This anti-aging powerhouse is designed for your face, neck, and décolleté. Made in the USA, this 1.7-ounce day and night cream works wonders in moisturizing, lifting, and rejuvenating your skin. Packed with collagen, it helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a youthful and radiant complexion. Suitable for all skin types, its nourishing formula absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, making it perfect for both daytime and nighttime use. Experience the transformative effects of Simply Vital and embrace a more confident you. Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence. Introducing COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence. This 3.38 fluid ounces, 100 milliliters a hydrating serum is a game changer for your skincare routine. Infused with 96% snail secretion filtrate, it targets dull skin and fine lines, promoting a healthier, more radiant complexion. Perfect for all skin types, this essence deeply hydrates and repairs, improving skin elasticity and texture. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. As a staple in Korean skincare, COSRX Snail Mucin Essence is a must-have for anyone looking to achieve a youthful glow. Elevate your skincare game with this powerful essence and see the difference. Makeup Brush Set 18 PCs. Introducing the BS Mall Makeup Brush Set. This 18-piece collection of premium synthetic brushes has everything you need for a flawless makeup application. Perfect for foundation, powder, concealers, eyeshadows, and blush, each brush is designed to provide precise, effortless blending. Crafted with high-quality synthetic fibers, these brushes are soft, durable, and cruelty-free. The sleek black handles offer a comfortable grip, while the stylish black case keeps your brushes organized and protected. Whether you're a makeup novice or a pro, this versatile set is perfect for achieving any look, from natural to glam. Upgrade your beauty routine with the BS Mall Makeup Brush Set and experience the difference in your makeup application. Under Eye Mask. Introducing the Grace and Stella Under Eye Mask. This set includes 24 pairs of luxurious gold gel patches designed to reduce dark circles, puffy eyes, under-eye bags, and wrinkles. Perfect for anyone looking to refresh and rejuvenate their under-eye area, these masks provide an instant boost of hydration and radiance. Made with vegan and cruelty-free ingredients, these eye masks are gentle on your skin and the planet. They're perfect for pampering yourself or as a thoughtful gift for women, whether for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Easy to use and incredibly effective, the Grace and Stella under-eye masks are a must-have in your skincare routine. Transform your under-eye area and enjoy a brighter, more youthful look with Grace and Stella. BIOTIN Beauty Complex. Introducing our powerful hair growth support supplement, featuring biotin, collagen, keratin, and hyaluronic acid. This advanced beauty complex delivers 25,000 micrograms of essential nutrients, including vitamins B1, B2, B3, B6, and B7, to support healthy hair, skin, and nails. Designed for both women and men, this supplement promotes hair growth, strengthens nails, and enhances skin hydration and elasticity. Made in the USA with high-quality ingredients, our formula ensures maximum effectiveness and safety. With 60 easy-to-swallow capsules, incorporating this supplement into your daily routine is simple and convenient. Experience the benefits of our hair growth support supplement and achieve the vibrant hair, glowing skin, and strong nails you've always wanted. Elevate your beauty regimen today. Transform your skincare routine and unlock your skin's true potential with these exceptional beauty and skincare supplements. Embrace the journey to healthier, more vibrant skin with products that deliver real results. Don't forget to explore the links in the description for more information and to find the perfect supplements for your beauty regimen. Start your path to stunning skin today.